Title: I Am Powerful, The Zen Journey of Little Lotus. In a quaint village nestled at the foothills of mist-covered mountains, there lived a curious and spirited child named Lotus. Lotus, though small in stature, possessed a heart as vast as the starlit sky. He was drawn to the teachings of the village's wise Zen master, who saw the potential for greatness within every soul. One day, little Lotus approached the Zen master with a question that echoed in the mountain breeze: "How can someone like me be powerful, master?" The Zen master smiled, his eyes reflecting ancient wisdom. He handed Lotus a small, smooth pebble. "Hold this, and tell me what you feel." As Lotus clasped the pebble, he felt its weight and solidity. The Zen master nodded. "Now, close your eyes, and imagine the strength within you." With closed eyes, Lotus envisioned a river of energy flowing through him. He felt a connection to the earth, to the mountains, and to the vast universe beyond. In that moment, he understood that true power lay not in physical strength alone but in the awareness of one's inner strength. The Zen master spoke: "Little Lotus, you are powerful beyond measure. Your strength is not confined to muscles but is rooted in the understanding that you are a part of the grand tapestry of existence. Embrace the power within, and you will navigate life's challenges with grace." From that day forward, Lotus carried the wisdom of the Zen master within his heart. He faced each day with a newfound sense of purpose and resilience. The village soon witnessed the remarkable transformations little Lotus brought, not through force but through the gentle power of self-awareness and inner strength. As the mist-covered mountains stood as witnesses, the story of little Lotus echoed through the village, reminding everyone, young and old, that true power resides in recognizing and nurturing the strength within. "I am powerful" became not just a statement but a mantra that echoed through the hearts of children, embracing the essence of a motivational Zen story for the ages.